Finally some pitch, high pitch. I don't know, a dime or a quarter. Or a bottle cap. We got it. Let's go. It's a dime. Whoa. Well, it's a dime. One iPhone. This is the iPhone losing in progress. I can bet they're gonna lose that phone. $10.11. Some kind of junk. Yep. The guy lost a pocket knife here someplace. He wanted me to find it if I can for 20 bucks. Minus 610. Yep, we got it. That's 20 bucks right here. Where's the money, honey? He's the one who offered 20. I didn't ask for 20. It's worth 50 on eBay. Sounds like a quarter we got here. We got 20 bucks. Finding that pocket knife. That's it. I can hit him. Yep. That's a quarter. Looks to me this is another one right here. I turned off the camera too soon. That's the second one right here. This one is 79. 29.38. Minus 7. It's some kind of junk. Since there's nothing else on the beach, might as well dig it. I think we got it. That's a key off the car. Whoa, I have no idea what kind of car is this. I have no idea. Minus 414. Volleyball court. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Diamonds. Wow. Girl's best friend. Today was a really nice day. Not much really fine. I found a pocket knife for a guy. He offered me $20 for a pocket knife. I looked it up on eBay. It's only sells for $15. Find an earring, junk earring, probably zirconian crystal junk. I don't know why would the girl wear stuff like that. One dime. In one hole I found 4 quarters. The one video that I filmed 2 for 2 quads, but actually I find 4. And 1 quad is very old, was prepared for a long time. And one in the beginning that I find 1 dime, 1 penny. Really there's really not much stuff on the beach. It is, to me, it's enjoying to go and do metal detecting. To me, that's just the way I don't know. I just love it. Some people don't like it, but I'm into it all the way. 2 cigarette lighters I found, they both work. I guess a lot of metal detectors on the beach, so beach is clean. Not many stuff on the beach, not even too many pool tabs or bottle caps. So it's nice. I mean, you know. I see a lot of people with gold rings and chains, and there's going to be a lot of people losing stuff on the beach pretty soon. So I watched the 3 girls playing in the water with a telephone in their hands. Now, swear to God, I thought they were going to lose the telephone. Ray, I enjoyed yesterday with you, and every time I go out with you, I enjoyed 2 of us having fun. So I'm looking forward before I leave to do it again. Plugs, we love you, man, and we hope all the gold and all the jewelry that you can find in the parks. Take care.